In bocca lupo is an Italian idiom that literally translates to in the mouth of the wolf. Bit of a weird way of saying good luck, right? Although it sounds like a counterintuitive way of wishing someone good luck, it is believed to mean, may you face the challenge with courage and be lucky enough to come out on top. Like most other things, there are many theories about the origin of this idiom. One popular theory links it to the legend of Romulus and Remus, the founders of Rome. The legend tells us that they were raised by a she-wolf. It is commonly used before exams, theatrical performances, or when you're about to do something challenging. The standard response is crepi, lupo, which translates to may the wolf die, or simply crepi. Now you know. Contact us for more information.